Here I am going to explain the menus in the Android Studio. So here is the application I open for fresh now, and we have one text view already that is assigned with so many constants and properties. So here we have already the text view. Just I would like to change the title like menu demo. Okay, then I will just add some text size like 30 dp, so that it should be, that's it. Okay, for the reference it is. So let's go for the design. Okay, let's go for the design. Here when we want to design a menu, that is not initially, that will not be visible here in the design time. So here we have how to add the menu. These are the steps. Inside the app we have all the folders, right? So Java, all the Java files under this folder, and then here resources, all the resources are under the resource file. So to add the menu, we have to add a directory first. So right click, first you have to select the resource folder, right click and then click on the new, and here we have the Android resource directory. So we have to click on the Android resource directory. Now it will prompt me with one more new dialog box. Then here I have to select the menu, because I am going to add the directory for the menu, right? So I click on the OK. Now you can see menu here. So now right click on the menu and then go to the new, and when you go here, now you can see menu resource file, menu resource file. So right click on the menu, click on the menu resource file and give the name. Okay, here it's not recommended to use the capital letter. When you use capital letter, you can see red color here. M is not a valid based resource name character, isn't it? So M is capital is not allowed, and a special character is also not allowed. So that's why I say I name it as like menu main. Okay, because I am going to associate this menu with the main activity, so I name it as main. Just click the OK. Then you can see one more design view here, layout. So this is not the activity, this is a menu. Now here according to the question, I should have 3 items. Okay, menu 1, menu 2, menu 3. Okay, now one by one. So I will go to the menu. So here we have 2 properties. First one, ID. So this one should not contain any special character, any space or something, but you can provide special character in the text. Okay, so the ID should not contain hyphen. Hyphen is a special character, right? So it should not be like this. Okay, it should be like this. So now I'll go for the second one. Same here also, I'm going to do menu 2, and then in the title menu hyphen 2. See here no hyphen, in the ID no hyphen. Then last one I am going to write exit, and the next one is the title. So title can contain capital and small letter and capital letter, numbers and special characters, everything. Now you can see menu 1, menu 2. Here also in the component tree you can see the difference. So now the menu designing is over. You can close this one. Now we want to associate, we want to bring that menu here. Where we want to bring that in the main activity, right? So in the Java file we are going to write the code. So where we are writing the code, we are going to write the code after the onCreate. This is the onCreate method, right? After this here we are going to write. So what is that? There are 2 methods we have to write, one for the associating and another one for the action. Okay, then here I am going to write on click. Okay, sorry, on create. Here we have on create options menu. Can you see that? On create options menu. And then here the first thing what I should do is delete everything and then return true. So return true, and then before this line I should write menu inflator. So I have to write get menu inflator, menu dot get, sorry, that what we have to write, get menu inflator. Yeah, it's here, get menu inflator dot inflate. Now where we have created the menu, we have created the menu under the R means resources. Inside the resources we have created a directory that's called as a menu. So create menu, then put the dot. Inside the menu we have our menu. Can you see that the menu name is appearing? Then put the comma, then we have to pass this argument. This is the menu right here. So that menu we are going to pass here. So this is going to bring the menu to our activity, Now I am going to run here. When we run in the emulator, we will see that now when you run, now you see there are 3 dots. When you click on that, the menu is appearing, but we did not define any action for this one. So whenever I am clicking on this, nothing is happening. It's just a menu, just a display. We did not define the action for them, right? So menu is appearing now. Let's define the menu. Let's define the action for the menu. Now how to define the action? Again we have to write one more method, and that is called as on options. On options item selected, the first one, it's already there here, first one, on options item selected. When you hit the enter, again you will see one more new method generated here. The first thing what you should do is just write true here, okay, just write true here, and then before this we have to write all the code before the return statement, because return statement should be the last one executing in the method. So here I am going to use a switch, okay, then I am going to read the item dot get item selected, okay. So we have created 3 items, 3 menus, and we don't know which menu user is clicking. So we have to get the ID of the method which is being clicked. So here I am going to write the case r dot id dot. When you go for resources and then all the IDs, now you will see here menu. So I will define first one for the menu 1. So what should happen? Okay, I am just going to display one message here. So the context, then whatever the message you would like to, you clicked menu 1, right, menu 1. Then after that we have to write the length of the toast display, right, how long it should display, that's what here. So here we have, so I am just minimizing this one. So now after that we have to write the break. Break means stopping the case, Now I will run once again, Now you see menu, then when I click on the first menu we see the message here, and for the second one we did not define anything, so no message. When for the third one also nothing. So it means that we have defined first one and the first one is working fine. So now what I will do, I will just copy paste this, okay, I will just copy paste and then change the menu. So menu 2 now, menu 2, you clicked on the menu, okay, menu 2. So in the same way I am going to make the third one. So here the third one is going to be exit, right, so exit. So here we don't want this, I will just say finish here. When I click on the third one it should finish. So let's run the application. So now it's installing and then my application is ready. Then I click on the menu 1, now you see you clicked menu 1. When you click on the second one you clicked menu 2. When you click on the last exit one, the application is closed. So this is the simple demonstration of the menu.